Hey everybody, John the Phone Guy here. Been a little while, so apologize for that. And this is just going to be a sizing video, but being that this is the brand new Subaqua NOMA VII, I am going to take just a little bit more time than usual to kind of show everybody what's going on. And so this is the bracelet design. This is the gunmetal version, in case anyone was wanting to know. So you have the dragon relief in the center. You got the blue accents on the screws here. You've got the side channeling with the station markers here, here, and here are fatter than the others, and there's all that detail here. The case back is quite impressive. It's got a whole almost like a not really a Venom dome, but just a very unique look to it. And of course you got to get in with the function pushers, the detail on the head, and of course the crown protector and crown with the Swiss logo on the inside, and the station markers, 3 here, 3 here, and then the 7th one. This is the I believe it's the 5040, and I apologize because I didn't look this thing up. It's got the meteorite on the inside of the dial. Just a beautiful watch. But on to what we're getting here for. So that's going to be sizing. So check your arrows. And not that probably too many people care, I have lost quite a bit of weight. So I'm going to go probably a little bit smaller than I used to. So I had, back surgery back in August, and it went extremely well. For those who know a little bit more about it, I've had a bad back for quite some time, and finally found a good surgeon and had surgery. And as a result, I started walking more and just lost weight. As I'm making this, today is Saturday, I think it's the 21st, so don't worry about that date. I haven't said anything yet. And I'm down about 45 pounds since surgery back in August. So it's been a life-changing event for me. Not to get too off topic with what we're here for, which is sizing a watch, but you know, just FYI. So it's all been good, and for those that I will see on the cruise in February, you know, if you want to talk to me about it, more than happy. I'll show you the big O extended plumber's crack that I have now on my back, which is what it looks like from my surgery. That's pretty close. Like I say, that would normally fit, but for me, I'm somewhere between a 7 and 6 3/4, so somewhere right around in there. Apologize. Set these pins. And so that's kind of my thing now. I've actually had to go back and resize a bunch of watches too on the bracelet side. So for me, I'm gonna adjust the micro adjuster. See if we can get something a little bit better here. Okay, I like mine a little bit loose because mine moves up and down a little bit. Yeah, I get the bump, but whatever. It's all right. So that's pretty much it. So I took 2 and 3 and then moved the micro 1 on here. Just slightly loose, but like I say, I prefer that. So that's the Subaqua NOMA VII. But like I said, since this is a little bit more unusual, we will just kind of get right in tight so we can kind of see all of the Whitman statin, which is the striation patterns and some of the looks that it has. So just, you know, a beautiful dial. I love the execution of it. Just some really amazing detail. And like I say, the detail on the dragon head is just, you know, amazing. And you can really tell that there's influences from pretty much around I'd say the 2-3 Subaqua NOMA on up. You see kind of some inspirations from it, but just a beautiful watch overall. So there we have it. That is Subaqua NOMA VII bracelet sizing. And as always, if you enjoy this or any other videos, hit the old subscribe and the bell. And, you know, shout out to Instagram. Smitten by Invicta does a lot of women's fashion around Invicta watches and ladies business attire, and also Trap Vision 3D and Tommy Big Time on YouTube. Shout out to Facebook, Invictaholics, Invictacruisers, InvictaVets. And as always, enjoy your Invicta watches, and I'll see you next time. Take care.